Hello viewer, are you facing photos disappeared from Google Message app? Let's see how to solve this. Open your Google Message app. Now tap on Google Message profile icon. Now go to Help and Feedback. Now tap on Send Feedback. Now allow one-time access. Now in this box, write down, "Hi Google Message Support Team, photos disappeared from my Google Message app. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." And then you send your report to the Google Message Support Team. Now go back to your Google Message profile. Now go to Google Message setting. Now scroll down and go to Automatic Previews. From here, enable Show All Preview.